Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy, over at the allotment, and I'm harvesting some spuds today. So let me show you which potatoes I'm harvesting. So this bed and that bed there were spuds I harvested last week for an experiment I did. Shot bought potatoes versus seed potatoes. I'll put that on the screen at the end of the video, at the end of this video if you want to see it. This bed here is what we're harvesting. The potatoes in this bed are a variety called Desiree. They're a red skinned variety of potato that are partially blight resistant and very drought resistant, which makes them popular with allotmenteers, which also makes them ideal for growing in containers. I've grown a lot of spuds in containers this year. I've got a good deal on Amazon, these containers, 10 of them for £38, so £3.80 a container. I'll link them in the description. As you can see, I've just got some nice courgettes out of the polytunnel. Something roasted tonight with some roasted taters. I've swapped spades. This spade's better. As you can see, they're a nice red skin of potato. So I think I'll work my way along the bed this way. So we've got some nice decent spuds there. Lovely. Oh, look at the size of that one. So I did notice the ones I've got in containers were coming out a lot smaller. The ones in the bed are much larger. Just make sure I haven't missed any. That is just grass cuttings that I put on to use as a bit of mulch. Lovely. Okay, so I thought I'd put all Desiree in this bed, but obviously I haven't. These are King Edward. So it looks like up this end I've got a King Edward seed potato in there somehow. However, not a biggie, we like King Edwards. Right in underneath that plant there. in here, I do believe this one's King Edward too. So what I must have planted 6 Desiree and 2 King Edward at this end. You can see there, they're the King Edward. So I'll say that there is not a bad harvest from 8 seed potatoes. Happy with that. So I'm going to be having roast courgette, roast potato, and roasted belly pork for dinner tonight, and Teddy will be having a slice of belly pork. Anyway, the experiment video where I grew seed potatoes versus shop bought potatoes in these 2 beds, I'll pull that up here now if you want to see that. If you enjoyed that video, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more gardening and beekeeping videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.